Insert the TF card into the recorder. Wipe the windshield with the glasses cloth. Tear off the static adhesive advertising film and stick it in the appropriate position. Peel off the adhesive sticker on the three-purpose adhesive on the main unit. Attach the base of the host to the electrostatic sticker and press it firmly for 3 seconds. Take out the power cord Type-C interface from the package and insert it into the host. Use a pry tool to hide the wiring harness on the ceiling and then go to Group A. Hide the wiring harness downward along the adhesive strip. Then walk to the bottom of the passenger seat. Place the car charger into the cigarette lighter. Take out the rear camera extension cable from the package and plug it into the main unit. Use a pry tool to hide the wiring harness to the ceiling, then walk to the A-pillar. Then, hide the wiring harness along the door frame rubber strip. Then, route the wiring harness to the rear glass. Wipe the rear windshield with a glass cloth. Tear off the advertising film on the mirror and stick it in the appropriate position. After taking it out, pull the camera and stick 3M glue to the camera base. Peel off the protective film and lens protective film on the 3M adhesive and attach them to the electrostatic machine. Plug the extension cable and the rear camera cable together and hide the excess wiring harness in the ceiling. Tear off the protective film on the host screen. Adjust the lens angle, start the vehicle, and plug in the car charger. The installation is complete.